is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but damn I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love you can't stand, and I try to be strong. How much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope your words ain't lying, 'cause only thing that's saving you is a heart of a...
Hey guys, so I'm all dressed and ready to head out. I'm not sure if you guys can even see me. Let me just back color. Oh, yeah, I think I'm a little bit centered. So I'm all dressed. Today's Wednesday, so happy Wednesday. I'm not sure if this is a new vlog or a continuation because I've been trying to vlog every time that I do something. So we don't know where the vlog starts, ends, you know. That's what we're gonna work on. So as we vlog, as we video, we start edit, so we know where we're at in our vlog. Anyways, it's Wednesday, so happy Wednesday. So my friend sent me this spot that she found that's doing games nights on Wednesdays. So that is where we are headed tonight. I don't remember the name of the place, but it's somewhere in Barbican. And just dressing casual, just wearing just top, skirt, and sandals. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the full fit in the picture, in the mirror, sorry, and then we're gonna head out. So let's go. All right, so this is actually a better view to see my full fit. Just something casual like I mentioned, and yeah. What's going on? Welcome. So today is a Thursday and it's a holiday in Jamaica, Boxing Day. Yeah, lots of people aren't working, lots of people are home relaxing. Good for them. I do have some work to do, but I'm currently on the road. Actually pulled up to a coffee place, but them locked today, and I went here last night, got ice cream, and I said they would have been open today, but they're not open. So I don't know what homegirl was saying, or probably they're not open as yet, but it's literally 12:30 something, so I don't know what's happening. I need to go to a store right now. They said they're open today. I need to get a dress for New Year's because I'm going to an event. New Year's Eve party, New Year's party. So I want to go there to just grab my dress right now. I don't want to go go on the road tomorrow where there's so many chaos and stuff like that. So I like the dress. I have actually saw two things there, two clothing there that I want to try. Go there, try it. That shit is don't ask me why I never ordered my dress online. I should have ordered my stuff online. I would have paid like half the price. So anyways, we're going there, try what we see, what we liked on their Instagram page, and then we're gonna cop that. Then tomorrow, over the weekend, we're gonna try to get our shoes. We're gonna need a shoes, okay? I ain't got no heels. I need a some nice like a heel where I could be able to stand in all night for that event. So yeah, and then today is Alo Soka. Oh my god, I can't believe it. So this vlog, we're going to another 12-hour party. It starts from 6 p.m. tonight all the way to 6 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, we're going there to party or pants off. It's Alo Soka Plus. I think I videoed this party before, so we're gonna head there tonight and have a ball. We're not working tomorrow, Friday, so we're gonna be there until 6 a.m. in the morning. Yes, and they serve breakfast in the morning too. So we will head out and go up on the road, and then let's try on some clothes. Yo, I haven't been into a store, like a physical store, like clothing store, to try on stuff. It's been a while. We've been doing the online thing, but yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so it is later down in the night and we're heading out to the event that I told y'all, the 12-hour I Love Soca party. That's what we're heading to, and let's get into the fit. Regular t-shirt, got it tight at the side because this leggings that I have is literally high waist all the way up, so I thought it would have been cute to just tie that with sneakers and a cute bag. And then definitely gotta have the dark shades. Remember, 24-hour party. The party is gonna end at 6 a.m. so daylight is gonna come up and we're feeling kind of bougie with the glasses. I'm probably gonna keep it on for most of the night. Not wear any makeup. Reason being, do I have a reason? No, I just can't be bothered with the makeup. And then second, I want to wear the shades, so I gotta be, when daylight comes out, I gotta be checking my face and my makeup. Is my makeup okay? Did the glasses like messed up my makeup? You know, so to avoid all of that nonsense, we're going this. And then I put it right beside the mirror because I know it's going to video. We gotta bring our chair. We're going up in age right now, y'all, and standing in a party for probably 9 hours, it's not gonna work because it's moving on to 9:30 now. Yeah, it's a cute fit. We ready for the party? Yes. All right, let's go. Oh, hush. I have light though. Hey guys, so we're at the venue right now, so let's head inside.
Dance on this song. Everybody start to do the dance. That's how we play tune tonight. Welcome to I Love Soca. Richie Ross and you couple cyclone. I see my teammates now. When I tell you to run, you gotta run to your right. Everybody warm up. You're wet. Everybody jump! What I do? Up and up and up, up and up. We have to the left, we have to the right, we have to the left, we have to the right, we have to the left, we have to the right, we have to the left.
Hey guys, what's up? Happy Saturday. So we're on the road already. We came out of our house early this morning, 10 a.m. because we're on a mission for today to hurry up and get everything done and be home by 1 o'clock before the whole craziness and traffic starts. So we need to get our shoes for our event coming up next week. And I did stop at Bright Brand, but I tried on something that I liked. It was okay. Actually, you know what? I actually liked it, but it couldn't fit and I didn't have another size. The next location did not have that size as well. So yeah, so I'm at the supermarket now to just pick up something, then we're gonna find another store to go look. I'm gonna check Lee's as well because the type of shoes that I want, I'm looking for a sling back pumps. I think will look so cute with the dress that I got. So that is the vibe for today. Errands. So we're gonna head inside the supermarket, then when I reach to us to figure out which store I'm going first, then we'll catch up back. So we got our shoes. I'll show you guys like a little snippets when I was trying it on. I normally wear 8.5, but for those type of pumps, the sling back pumps, the 8.5 fits so exact, and I don't like when my heel is literally like on it. It looks like it's just like a half. It's even less than a half inch over the heel, and I don't like that, so I took 9 instead. The 9 is very free on my feet. It fits perfect the back of my heel, but like the strap itself is just kind of a little loose, but I actually prefer that because I tried both the video. I actually tried on both. Oh shoot, I tried both 8.5. I tried 1 foot at 8.5 and 1 foot at 9. That's what I did. And like I said, the 9 was very loose, the strap, but it fits perfect. The heel, the back of the shoe, the 8.5 fits so perfect, but it's just like too exact for me. And based on the dress that I'm wearing, it's short, my heel is going to show, and I just prefer, you know, not to have like my heel a slightly bit over. The shoes are literally on top of it. But what I did not do is try on both the 9s. Girl, but anyways, I'm gonna try time. I've received, but I'm comfortable with it being a little bit loose, the strap itself. Yeah, so that's that. We are actually finished with our errands, and it's 11:50. So girl, you did well. So we just gonna stop by my mom's. I'm thinking to get a stocking, but I already left the whole sale. I feel like a black stocking may work with that, and I need to buy jewelry as well, but today I'm still thinking, I'm leaning towards gold for my jewelry because just gold just works for me. So you know what, I am in Havachee, why not just get it done? You know what, I'm gonna park. You know what, I can't bother, I'm heading home. Am I going on the road next week? Yeah, I'm going on the road next week, Monday or Tuesday. And the store Brick Brand, I did look at it, did not have, I didn't like the jewelry that they had. But Brick Brand is up there, so you know what, I'm gonna go to the Brick Brand up this side and just check on the jewelry and see if I see anything that you like, anything that I like. I'm gearing towards gold, so I'm just gonna work with the gold accessories. I'm gonna get a chain and a nice earring. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. So then stop by my mom, then home time. Yeah, let's go. Hey beautiful people, so we are looking very, very classy right now. We are heading out to a party. It is a Sunday, so happy Sunday to you all. So it's the last Sunday in December, y'all. Woot. Anyways, we are heading to a very, very classy fashionista party. It was not planned, y'all. It was not planned. I did not plan to go anywhere, but I got a call and say hey, so I'll say less. And yeah, so in this cute, I think I got this from Fashion Nova from last year. This was one of the options that I had for Frenchmen for last year. Yeah, so working with this, and I got this cute sling back pumps from Sammy's. in half a tree beside Tropical Plaza for all my local people. But it's cute, very nice. The only thing is I wish it was a little glossy. It's like just, it has no sheen. I wish it had sheen. Anyways, and then we have our Tommy Hilfiger bag here, and we're going with a red lipstick. And here it's actually raining right now, but we're still gonna head out because I'm doing a pickup. But yeah, for the final dress, yeah, later.
Jamaica, put up a cell phone like in our ear. It's one line, two line. All who glad to spend the Christmas and New Year's in a Jamaica, put up your light in the ear right now. How about that so? Hey, VIP! Yo, VIP! Just because we don't have money, what not do? All who love Jamaica, yes. Yo, engineer, don't be sound now. Engineer, don't be sound. All who love Jamaica, we have them in our ear right now. See that?
Jamaica, me now say Lord. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out.
But you have money too. Big up the girl, we don't say in America, you have good credit. All of the girls have good credit. Say, whoa. Well, I know, maybe I'll ask a question. All of the girls we don't say, anything a man give you is extra on top of what you have already. But some skitty black in our ear now. Now go tell you something now. It's the ending of 2024, 2025. This is how I feel. Ladies, I don't think it makes sense to spend money for your good outfit, to spend money to come in at the dance.
Bad bitches had a beamer, that's a big dance. Bad bitches had a beamer, that's a big dance. Chrome heart got me kissing on his best friend. Put in work, baby, you could be my best man. Sending cash to my account, he investing. Dark shades on when I'm off the Migos. He tryna cuff me like a nigga in a Rico. Moving through this shit like GTA with a cheat code. Claim that he love me, but we fucking all the You got just what I like. Come on, baby, let's kiss, don't fight. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like.